Hello, here you can see our latest Tünkers product, a cutting unit consisting of our standard C-frame with customized cutting tools. In this case, we have a cutting length of approximately 300 millimeters and a required force of 6 tons. In addition, we have a positioning unit that moves the product to the customer component in the vertical and horizontal direction. A slug ejection is also provided, which pushes the cutted metal sheet onto an external slide. The special thing about this order was that we succeeded in integrating our system into an existing station, in which we only had limited installation space, and also the fact that the units are now ready for delivery just 6 weeks after customer approval.